Welcome to Beautyistic. You know how much we love bringing you the latest beauty tools to elevate your makeup game. And today we have something that promises precision and finesse, the KIKO Milano Mini Precision Blender Kit. Now, we all know that the right makeup tools can make a huge difference, and sponges, in particular, are often the unsung heroes in our beauty routines. So let's dive in and take a close look at these mini teardrop sponges from KIKO Milano. This set comes with 4 mini sponges, each designed to give you flawless blending for your foundation, concealer, and even setting powders. The sponges are made from soft, high-quality polyurethane, ensuring they're gentle on the skin while still providing that perfect, streak-free finish we all crave. What sets these sponges apart is their teardrop shape, which allows for precision in those hard-to-reach areas like under the eyes, around the nose, and along the brow bone. Whether you're blending a full-coverage foundation or working in a more delicate cream blush, these sponges are designed to provide just the right amount of product application without soaking up too much. Using them was a breeze, and they fit comfortably in my hand. I found they worked best when dampened, which is often the case with most makeup sponges. But I was impressed with how well they maintained their shape and bounce even after multiple uses. One of the standout features for me was their ability to seamlessly blend both liquid and cream products. I didn't notice any streaks or product streaking, which is a huge plus for something that comes in such a compact size. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, these sponges are incredibly versatile. Their small size is great for precise application, and they feel soft on the skin, which is especially important for sensitive skin types. The fact that you get 4 sponges in one set is a great bonus, as you can rotate them and keep your beauty routine fresh. On the flip side, because they're mini, they do require a bit more time and effort for coverage compared to a larger sponge. This may not be an issue if you prefer a more detailed, precise application, but it's worth mentioning if you're someone who likes to move quickly. Now, when it comes to value for money, these sponges come at a pretty reasonable price point for the quality you're getting. Considering how well they blend and how durable they are, I'd say you're getting your money's worth, especially since they come in a 4-pack. As for comparisons, there are a few other high-quality sponges on the market, like the Beauty Blender, but they can be quite expensive. If you're after a mini precision option, I'd say the KIKO Milano sponges are a great affordable alternative without compromising performance. The build quality is solid. The sponges are well made and hold up over time, maintaining their shape even after multiple washes. I didn't notice any issues with them falling apart or losing their bounce, which is a great sign of durability. Now, if you've used other KIKO Milano products, you may already know that the brand's customer service is top-notch. While I didn't need to contact them directly for this review, I've heard positive things about their responsiveness and willingness to help with any issues. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still provides great precision, you could also check out some of the drugstore brands like Real Techniques or Eco Tools, which also offer small, precision sponges at a lower price point. So what's the final verdict? The KIKO Milano Mini Precision Blender Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to up their blending game with a tool that offers both precision and soft texture. These sponges work great for detail work, and their compact size makes them perfect for targeted application. If you're someone who loves to blend makeup seamlessly in those tricky areas, these mini sponges will certainly become a staple in your kit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience with KIKO Milano products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.